What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video we're going to check out the accuracy of the power blocks. So we're going to weigh each segment in order to know exactly if these numbers here below hold up. Now because we can't bring a kitchen scale into the home gym, we have to bring the weights into the kitchen. And it's not because it's cold out there. In the review we've already established that the conversion from kilograms to pounds is a bit off. Now we're going to find out whether it's the kilograms or the pounds that is closest to reality. Now we're also going to check both pairs to see if there's any variation in between those. Also, these are PowerBlock Sport expandable, which are absolutely amazing because you can buy a cheap version which you always can expand on later to get more kilograms or pounds. Without further ado, let's get weighing. So you see me all do this on a food scale, and the reason for that is we have a higher accuracy in the food scale. We have less of a reach with the food scale, that's true, because it only goes up to 5 kilograms. Because we weigh each piece individually, that doesn't cause any problems. Boom, that's all done. Now what I can say already is that these numbers between PowerBlock 1 and 2 are very close together. That already is a good thing because that means that your both weights are going to always be equal on both hands. And we're talking about a deviation of about 10 grams in between each piece. What's even more remarkable is the rods and the plastic casing, which is almost the same weight. The maximum difference that we see here is 3 grams, which is absolutely crazy. Now we already know the consistency of the power blocks. Now let's also check the accuracy of the numbering that we have compared to the measurements that we took. As it comes to pounds, the biggest difference we see is 0.6 pounds on the 50-pound stack, which is actually just 1%. For the kilos, on the other hand, we see a 0.5 deviation on the 30-pound weight, which is actually more like 4%. But that is something that I already noted in the review, is that the pounds and the kilos doesn't really match up. For you guys who use pounds in America, the pound system is just absolutely nailed. There's no chance a weight would be that accurate. Really great of PowerBlock to have such a high accuracy. Thank you so much for watching this quick and short video. And now for myself, it's all sorted out. These weights hold up, these weights are accurate, especially if you use the pound system. For the kilos, it's always going to be like a difficulty because they also convert the pounds to kilos without any digits, which always makes it a little bit difficult, but still we make a workaround. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you now are inspired to buy these dumbbells because I think they're so great, they're accurate, and they're not that expensive. So I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!